Now, the public sector is set to place more emphasis on the safety performance of companies when awarding construction tenders. Senior Minister of State for Manpower, Zaqy Mohamad, says a framework will be released later this year to help safer firms have better access to business opportunities. He also called for the private sector to follow suit. The framework will complement existing penalties for offences under the Workplace Safety and Health Act to deter errant contractors. And there were 11 work-related fatalities in February alone, compared with a total of 30 for the whole of last year. 3 died in the Tuas industrial fire, prompting the ministry to begin investigations into nearly 500 firms that may have similar combustible dust hazards. Mr. Zaqy added that an inquiry committee will be appointed to thoroughly study the causes and recommend policy or regulatory changes if necessary.
We acknowledge that companies are facing manpower shortages due to border and pandemic controls. Nevertheless, companies must not compromise worker safety by rushing or having workers operate machinery or perform tasks that they are not trained for. They should also review their risk assessments to account for COVID-19 conditions.
Besides emphasis on workplace safety, the Manpower Ministry has also formed an alliance to promote work-life balance in Singapore. Noting that the pandemic has accelerated the adoption of flexible work arrangements, the ministry added that further study is needed to understand its long-term impacts. Mental well-being was also brought into focus. MOM has developed an online self-service assessment tool, iWork Health, to help employers identify and manage workplace stressors. Now, the tool will include over 70 questions on stress-related factors at work, such as job demands and control, company culture, and relationship with supervisors and co-workers.